Did you know that nearly 65% of customers abandon their carts because of unexpected or confusing shipping costs? Shipping isn't just the last step of the checkout, it's often the make or break moment for your entire sale. At Octolize, we live and breathe shipping for WooCommerce. For years, we've been helping thousands of stores simplify their deliveries, cut costs, and boost customer happiness. And with new solutions, like our AI assistant in flexible shipping, setting up even complex shipping rules can take just a few seconds. All you need to do is describe your shipping assumptions in plain language, and our tool instantly translates them into ready-to-use WooCommerce shipping rules. So why am I telling you this? Because we don't just build plugins. We want to share our knowledge, ideas, and insights with you. That's why we created the Octolize Newsletter. And it won't be another spammy sales feed. We respect your inbox. Think of it as a coffee break read, short, valuable, and something you'll actually enjoy opening. Inside, you'll find practical shipping tips, recommendations for free tools to improve your store, behind-the-scenes updates on what we're building, and even exclusive promotions for our subscribers. In other words, real value, delivered with respect. Keep your newsletter subscription active and let us keep surprising you with fresh ideas, new features, and insights that make shipping easier every day.